Yes, you need to apply the derating. The derating factor of 70% applies to the current carrying capacity of the bus gutter when there are 8 or more conductors per phase. This is because the heat generated by the conductors can cause the bus gutter to overheat, which can lead to failure. In this case, you have 8 conductors per phase, so you need to apply the 70% derating factor. This means that the current carrying capacity of the bus gutter is reduced to 70% of its original value. To determine the actual current carrying capacity of the bus gutter, you need to multiply its original value by 0.7. For example, if the original current carrying capacity is 100 amps, then the derated current carrying capacity is 70 amps. It is important to note that the derating factor is only applied to the current carrying capacity of the bus gutter. It does not affect the voltage rating or the mechanical strength of the bus gutter.